easy trick based on profit and loss. Based on profit and loss, there are different type of the various problems you can solve in profit and loss basis. Here we can solve by the some different type of the problems according to their easy trick and easy formulas. For example, this is trick 1 based on the profit loss is a shopkeeper sold goods for rupees SP1. This is selling price SP1 and made a profit of R1%. In this process, find the profit percent if he had been sold his goods for SP2. क्वेश्चन ये कहना चाहता है कि एक दुकानदार जो है अपने सामान को SP1 रेट में बेचता है तो उसको R1% लाभ होता है। यदि SP2 दाम में बेचेगा तो उसे कितना परसेंटेज लाभ होगा। लाभ मतलब हमको परसेंटेज में निकालना है, ना कि अमाउंट में। तो उस कंडीशन में ये फार्मूला लगाते हैं SP1 और SP2। सेलिंग प्राइस, इनिशियल सेलिंग प्राइस फर्स्ट जो रहता है उस समय परसेंटेज R1 मान लेते हैं। फाइनल सेलिंग प्राइस SP2 है, उसको परसेंटेज R2 मानेंगे। अभी इस बेसिस पे लेट कास्ट प्राइस CP, तो सेलिंग प्राइस 1 + R1/100 प्रॉफिट के लिए। अगर लॉस बोलता है तो माइनस लिखेंगे। इसके लिए भी हो जाएगा सेलिंग प्राइस 1 + R1 इंटू कॉस्ट प्राइस अपॉन R2/100 इंटू कॉस्ट प्राइस। दोनों को जब डिवाइड करते हैं तो ये कट जाएगा, ये कट जाएगा, CP कट जाएगा और ये फार्मूला हो जाएगा। मीन्स SP1/SP2 इज इक्वल टू 100 + R1/100 + R2। जैसे क्वेश्चन दिया है, ये मेन गेन 10% बाय सेलिंग ए सर्टेन आर्टिकल फॉर ए सर्टेन प्राइस। ये कुछ प्राइस में बेच रहा है, X प्राइस में, और ये 10% उसका ये हो रहा है। ए मेन गेन्स 10% बाय सेलिंग ए सर्टेन आर्टिकल फॉर ए सर्टेन प्राइस। लेट द सेलिंग प्राइस, दिस इज X, दिस इज SP1 इज इक्वल टू X and this is R1 is equal to 10%. If he had sell it double, means selling price just double, means twice X. Double means twice X. So then the profit made is, profit here given in percentage, option is percent. So therefore this is second profit represented by percentage basis. So by using the formula SP1/SP2 is equal to 100 + R1/100 + R2. So this is equal to 2x/2x, and this is 100 + 10, this is equal to 110, and this is 100 + R2. So therefore this is cancelled to each other. This is 1/2 is equal to 100 + 110/100 + R2. So therefore 100 + R2 is equal to, by cross multiply by 220. So therefore R2 is equal to 220 minus 100 is equal to 120%. So answer of this question is equal to 120%. Another question, an article sold at a certain price by selling at 2/3 of that price. An article sold at certain price means selling price X, and he sold by selling it at 2/3 of that price, so 2/3 of that price, certain price. Then loss, in this case loss is equal to 10% loss. So then gain percent at the original price, this is the original price, gain percent R1 to find. This is loss, therefore this is negative. So by using formula X/2/3x is equal to 100 + R1/100 minus 10. So this is equal to 3/2, and this is equal to 100 + R1/90. This is equal to 3/2 multiply by 90 and 100 + R1. So this is equal to 2, 4, 5, 45, 45 3 ja 135, 100 plus R1. So therefore R1 is equal to 135 minus 100. This is equal to 35%. The answer of this question is 35%. Another question, a shopkeeper sold a goods for 2400, selling price 2400, and made a profit of 25%. This is 100 plus 25, profit of 25%. In the process, find his profit percent if he had sold goods for 2040 rupees. To find its profit R1, R2. So therefore this cancel by this, and 2 4 5 ja 20, 4 1 ja 4, 4 6 ja 24. This is 51 by 6. So therefore 100 plus R2, this 100 plus R2 cross multiplying, this is 125 and this is 51 upon 60. So this case 51 upon 60. By cancel, this is 3 7 ja 3 17 ja 3 2 ja 6, and 5 25 and 5 4 ja 20. So this is multiplied by this 25 into 17 by 40. So this is equal to 25 multiplied equal to 425 by 4. So there 100 plus R2. So therefore R2 is equal to 425 by 4 minus 100. So this is equal to 25 by 4 is equal to 6.25%. So this is 6.25% be the answer of this question. Another question, a merchant, coal merchants make a profit of 20% by selling coal 25 rupees per. So this is cost, selling price 25 and profit 20%. This is equal to 20. If he sells the coal 22.5 rupees per quintal, what is the profit of the merchant? This is equal to 100 plus R2. So this is arranging decimal point to 250 divided by 225 is equal to 120 upon 100 plus R2. So this is equal to 25 9 ja 225 and this is 10 ja. And again this is this 100 plus R2 is equal to 120 multiply 9 by 10. This is cancel. This is 12 into 9 ja 108. So therefore R2 is equal to 108 minus 100 is equal to 8%. This is 8% be the answer of this question. So therefore 8%, this is the answer of this question. Another question, there will be 10% loss of a toy at 10 per piece. Is toy selling 10 rupees 80 paisa per piece, then he gets loss of 10%. This is 100 minus 10. At what price? This is the price of this article. This is find out this should be it earn to the profit of 20%. This is 100 plus 20. This will be the arrangement of this question. This is equal to 108 upon 10 divided by this is question mark is equal to 90 upon 120. So therefore 108 upon 10 into 120 upon 90 is equal to selling price 2. So this is cancel, this is cancel, 12 9 ja 9 12 ja 108, and this is 12 into 12 44 which divide by 10, 14.4 be the answer of this question. So this is answer of this question is 14.4. This is the correct answer.